might call this shit a day in the life. You know, weekend vibes. Actually, Father's Day. It's actually Father's Day for sure. So, but it's like a day in the life. You know, as a Hellcat owner, as a Scat Pack owner. You know, we hanging out right now. We in the city.
Ooh, OG perk, OG perk, ooh.
Alright, y'all, we back with another one. Back with another Suvi. Man, welcome to the podcast, the Done Talking Podcast, the biggest one, the number one. All of that, all the good stuff. But anyway, we got a car meet today, man. I'm about to meet up with the dogs. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what's to it. I ain't been to one in a minute, for real. Probably a few months, actually. I ain't been to a meet. So we're gonna see what's going on this beautiful Father's Day, man. We're gonna get to it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Got another Suvi. We going crazy with it. Just like a biker, modular loafer's the one with the lace. Nose out.
You know what time it is already? You know West Orlando, nigga. Move to the B. Still gonna take their fucking chain. Still gonna take their hoe. They main screen. Pill squeak. I done got the pack, they ain't show no love, what's up with that? You talk about this, you talk about that, but ain't got no racks. I done ran up a check, might blow me your bag and shop at that Saks. I came a long way from snatching their goals and hitting them.
We turn with it right now. Got the dogs out here. I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't even about to take that walk down there, but y'all see. Hey, Sneaky, talk to him. That shit hard. Durango Hell. Durango Hellcat 5.0. What happened? You about to change your shit? Oh nah, them cops, bro, they ain't security. That's a lamb chop about to pull up. But y'all about to change y'all.
We outside, man. Very right of this. Hope all down. There's been a little team in it. Got the cats, scats. First day outside with Dawn, new shit too.
Yep. Hell yeah. That's a fact.
Big wide body. Straight from the grave. That boy about to hit up.
This the graveyard.
Out with your boy.
This the graveyard shift, man. This the motherfucking graveyard shift. Boy mischievous. He put it upside down? Oh no.
Maybe we could do that. That's how your ass gonna look different.
Nigga, T is crazy.
Had that shit upside down.
T is wild right now.
Ain't nobody gonna be able to read it.
T wilding right now. I told him, like, yo, this shit upside down.
Ain't nobody gonna be able to read that shit.
How the fuck you read that shit, Trav?
What that shit say? What it say?
You got another memory card? You got a slip in there? This shit loose right here. I gotta get that back up. There you go. Tighten that bitch up. What, the cat?
double R truck, man, we waiting on it. That Rolls Royce truck, man, waiting on it. See it? You see it, we see it. Scat Packs take over. Hellcats.
You talk about this, you talk about that, but ain't got no racks. I done ran up a check, might blow me a bag and shopping at Saks. I came a long way from snatching their goals and hitting them sacks. I remember I hot with different guns and hella cash. But went from old school to that Mac Dash. Now I'm doing numbers low for the gas. Just hit my phone, I'm plugged everywhere in mass. OG perk, ooh, OG perk, ooh, OG perk, ooh, OG perk, ooh, gon' pop a perk, ooh, pack gon' pop a perk, ooh, OG perk, OG perk, ooh.
Put up kind of late, no, probably nowhere to park, but shit, we just gonna post up, really. Probably just gonna post up. Try to be gonna post.